Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge duplicates in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to switch to Salesforce Classic since this Salesforce Lightning Experience doesn't have the merging feature. So simply we need just to go to the start menu and from there we need to go we need to first go to our profile picture and go to the switch to Salesforce Classic. After that we need to go to our accounts and simply by clicking on accounts or in this plus sign we can go to accounts and from here we'll find accounts name. So let's just create an account name that will be uh, duplicates and let's just click on save. So basically we need to have already some data. Let's just give it anything and some expiration dates, etc. So I'm just going to click on save and now we have our accounts here. So let's go back to our accounts pages and basically let's go back to the accounts and from here we have both these accounts. So now all you can do is to merge contacts. So as you can see here we will find that these contacts are duplicates. So simply we need just to click on merge contacts and I'm just going to click on next. After selecting you click on next and you can merge whatever you like and choose which would be the master record, etc. So for example, I want to be this one, the master record, and the portal user as this one, and I want to leave this name. So I'm just going to click on merge, and now we will have our record that will be merged. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.